the squares. Look how busy it is now. Very fine day. Motor Expo, and we've even got a giant screen here that you can see coming up now. The views of this exposition. Cars to sail and see. Here across, looking towards one of the towers. Yep. This is standing here under the railway bridge, the railway bridge, looking in the direction of Jubilee Place. You can see in the background, looking in the direction of the Gherkin, and all the way along the front here you can see that there is Cafe Rouge. Just looking across it panoramically, and looking at the Cascades building in the distance. This is the main square as far as I can see, absolutely jam-packed with people. Front of number 1 Canada Square, the place is absolutely milling with people. Canada Square Gardens. To the underground station, Jubilee line. Picnicking, having their lunchtime break. We've reached a place called Wren Landing, and just taking a panorama of the whole place. Coming round towards a pub called the Cat and Canary. Train pulling into the station.